Hi, Vanakkam and welcome to Yashwant's Kitchen. I am your Yashwant. Today we are going to make a famous, delicious and creamy beverage, strawberry milkshake. Before we move on to our recipe, please subscribe my channel by clicking the button here and hit the bell button to get regular updates from Yashwant's Kitchen. Now let's start the preparation. To make strawberry milkshake, I have boiled and cooled milk, vanilla ice cream, sugar, strawberries and diced strawberries to garnish. This vanilla ice cream is special because this is made at Yashwant's Kitchen and I have a separate video for this. Please do watch it. Now let's add strawberries, milk, sugar and vanilla ice cream. Blend till it is smooth. Now let's serve and garnish with diced strawberries. Now the strawberry milkshake is ready. I am going to taste it. As I said before, it is really delicious and I am sure your kids will love it. I hope you enjoyed my strawberry milkshake. Please subscribe my channel if you like my video. We'll meet you with an interesting recipe again. Until then, bye from Yashwant.